Hello, friends. Let's talk about the Uniform Civil Code. So, what is the idea behind a Uniform Civil Code? It refers to a proposed set of uniform civil laws that are going to be equally applicable to all the citizens, irrespective of religion, in matters like marriage, divorce, inheritance, and adoption. So the aim is to replace the personal laws which are based on religious customs with a common legal framework which will promote equality and secularism. So we have two important personalities, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and K.M. Munshi, sharing their views regarding the same. This was taken up again during the by the Constituent Assembly also during the formation of the Indian Constitution under Article 35, but it wasn't formulated, or we can say it was left for the future governments to take up this matter. So one question arises, it wasn't felt that it should be a mandatory aspect, hence it was included under Article 44 of the Indian Constitution under the directive principles of state policy. However, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, he said that when the task is to reform a social system which is full of inequalities and discrimination, personal laws should also be a part of it. So he was again a proposer or who supported the idea of UCC, as he also believed in that to achieve complete independence or Swaraj in letter and spirit, not just political reforms, but social reforms should also be at the core of it. Even our former Prime Minister, the first Prime Minister of independent India, Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru, he also described UCC as being integral for the national unity and modernization. Now, the question is, given the religious diversity in India, will we be able to implement UCC in true sense, or will be just another option if we look at? Can we realign the current framework which exists with the reforms or the changes or the amendments which are needed, whether that is better suitable option to uphold the spirit of secularism? Also, if we go forward with implementation of UCC, will it not hamper or how it is going to impact the fundamental right of freedom of religion under Article 25? One more question that we can look into is, since it was kept a part of Article 44 of DPSP, which is not legally enforceable, also indicates towards that it being not a necessity. So India has survived 75 years. We are again a secular democratic republic. India is stable and we are the world's largest evolving democracy. So politicization of UCC is one of the major things that we are seeing again as a concern and a challenge. Is it a priority over other challenges which we are facing, like unemployment, poverty, hunger, growth, and inequality?